Okay, staramr has completed its work, so now we can proceed. So what we are going to do next is to explore the file. So let's clear the screen first and let's do an ls. And we are going to see the output directory, the one we specified when we were running staramr. Now let's ls into it. So we say ls outputs, and we are going to see the files here. Okay, these are the output files. Okay, so what we are going to do next is to explore these output files. So we are going to look at the results. So let's continue. Now, before we explore the output files, let me also say that a description of each of these files can be found on the staramr GitHub page. So if you go to the GitHub page, just scroll down to the table of contents and then check for outputs. This one here. So click it and you'll be sent to the section which has the descriptions. Okay, so these are the output files. So you can also scroll down to see examples and then further descriptions. Okay, so just scroll down and then you can see everything that is there. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. So basically we are going to explore the files using some Linux commands. Okay, so let's go back to the terminal. Okay, so we are going to continue. So we folded down an ls to the output directory, the one which has the files. So let's take a look at the first file, and that is the summary. So the summary file contains, that's this one here. The summary file contains a summary of all results that has been given or that has been generated. So it's just a summary of everything, the activity, okay, the staramr analysis. So we are going to explore. So if you want a quick information, a quick overview, then you just have to explore that. And that is why we are going to start with that. So this has been given us .tsv. So that means it's a tab separated file. Okay. So we can explore. Okay. So first of all, this file here can be opened using a spreadsheet software. So let me just open for you to see. Okay, so this is the output directory. So just open it and then you are going to find a file. So this is the summary file. Okay, so all the others are also .csv. So that means you can also open all these other files using a spreadsheet software. And there is an Excel file also here. Okay, and you also have this, but let's start with this one. So you can open it using your spreadsheet software. I have mine here. Okay, so when you open it, you are going to see this. Okay, so you have your headers. Let me just zoom. Yeah, you have some headers here. Okay, you also have your hits. So we have isolates as well as the discoveries made. Okay, so basically, if you are dealing with lots of information, then it will be very cumbersome trying to open them with a spreadsheet software and then manually checking them. So that's why we are going to use some Linux commands to do a quick check, okay, to scan through quickly and then get a general overview of what we have done. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. So I will refer back to this one later. Okay, now let's go back to the terminal. So on the terminal, we can use the cat command. So you can say cat and we say output / summary.csv. And this will list everything here for us. Okay. Fundamentally, it's a text file. That's what you need to know. But if you look at what has been displayed, it's kind of it's everything has been bundled together, so it becomes very confusing. So we are going to properly format the outputs. Okay, so we are going to use the column command to try and then format it. So we will say column and we say -s dollar and we say comma quotes /t and we say -t and we say output /summary.csv. Okay, so the column command simply aligns the columns in this file and then prints a table which is tab separated. Okay, that's what it is. So let's execute this command. Perfect. This is what we have.